Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in the last videos I have explained about measures of central tendency and about inclusive classes, exclusive classes and some extra topics. In this video I will discuss about histogram, frequency polygon and frequency curve. All are related concepts and related to histogram. And this histogram was first being used by Carl Pearson, who is also called father of statistics. So Carl Pearson I am writing here so that it will remember. He is also called father of statistics. And he was from 1807 to 1936, and he was English, that means he was from England. Now let us plot a histogram. So first of all you will require data. So I am writing the data. So here just I am taking class interval and here frequency. So class interval I am taking 0 to 2 and frequency is 1. Class interval 2 to 4 and frequency is 2. Class interval 4 to 6, frequency is 3. Class interval 6 to 8 and frequency is 2. Class interval 8 to 10 and frequency is 1. Now let us plot it. So to plot it, on x-axis there would be range. So I am writing here class interval, and on y-axis there would be frequencies. So for a first class interval, just from 0 to 2 and height is 1, so you will plot like this. Thereafter for a 2 to 4 frequency is 2, for 0 to 2 that was 1, so you will plot like this. The same way for a 4 to 6 that is 3, so you will plot like this. And for 6 to 8 frequency is 2, so you will plot like this. For 8 to 10 frequency is like this. Now this is histogram. And if you connect the middle point like this one to this one, from this one, this point to this one, this point to this one, from this point to this point, using straight line, so that would be frequency polygon. So that would be called frequency polygon. And the third one, if you add like using a curve, so that would be called, this is a curve, so that would be called frequency curve. And in statistics and data science, histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, they have similar concepts and they play a very important role, and they are very important to analyze data and probability distributions. So analyze data or data distributions. To understand data distributions and understanding data distributions is a key concept in machine learning, data science, and statistics. So this is the very important concept in statistics. You can say that a plot or visualization. So hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.